Hey everyone, I'm Jeep Momma and I'm out here with my Jeep. Today I'm going to share with you traction control versus using your axle locks. In this day and age with technology, it's a really good idea to get to know the computer systems in your Jeep and how they affect your driving when you're off-road, especially on those rocky trails, the inclines, or in off-camber situations. First, the traction control system. This system monitors the amount of wheel spin of each of the driven wheels. If wheel spin is detected, brake pressure is applied automatically by your Jeep to the slipping wheel or wheels, and engine power is reduced to provide enhanced acceleration and stability. Now, your traction control system will kick in when you're off-road in four-wheel low. In the Rubicons, we have the axle lock button, and this allows us to lock the front or the rear, and what that does, it gives power to each individual wheel so you can get through sticky situations better or up wet rocky inclines easier with better traction. Today I'm going to share with you a hands-on example that I got to witness while I was at a trail guide training class up at Rausch Creek with Kyle from Off-Road Consulting. Really great information. Kyle is a wealth of knowledge when it comes to off-roading. He has tons of experience. He's a certified off-road trainer with the I4WDTA, which is the Four-Wheel Drive Association. Take a look at this hands-on example of traction control versus your axle locks.
Keep it cut hard. Come forward slow. A little more. Now cut hard to the driver's side. Okay. Now we're going to do it. Okay, straighten the wheel. As you come forward, straighten the wheel. We're going to do the same thing. Just come forward slow till you feel the tire lose traction. Nice and easy, nice and easy. Okay. Now right here is where it's really going to go. Slow. Just come forward slow. Just feather it. Okay, see it? Keep going gently. Now it's going to go slip, slip. You're going to see this tire start to twitch, and then it's going to kick in. Now what I want you to do is lightly increase the throttle till you feel it start to move. You're going to go forward this far and then stop for me. Okay?
You can do it! You can do it!
Concentrate on that.
It's running!
Stop. Stop. So, you saw how slip, slip, and then it started going? That's the traction control turning itself back on. So those that say it doesn't work, right there is proof. One tire in the front, one tire in the rear. Slip, slip, and what it's doing is, that tire's spinning, this one's not. So the computer's going, this one's spinning, this one's not. We must be stuck. And it turns it on for a second or two and inches forward. The nice part about the traction control is it will not kick in if it feels it's going to damage the vehicle. If it feels it's going to break an axle shaft, it won't kick in. Like if you're undercut under a ledge like these steps, that tire won't kick in. I've seen it many times. That tire won't kick in. So you can use that to your advantage. You paid for this feature when you bought the vehicle. Use it. So now, go ahead and back up for me, just the way you are. The older off-roaders were always, oh, you need to buy locking differentials. It's a Rubicon, it's got locking differentials. That's why I always choose this vehicle with it. Now, right where you're at, go ahead and turn the lockers on front and rear. Okay, lights on. Yep, good. Okay, now, ever so slowly. Now watch the difference with the locking differentials on. Take your time. Easy. Stop. Notice how there's no slip. It just climbs. Now, where does that help you? Extra traction. Where does it hurt you? She could keep driving up and off of this until she's on her side. Because it feels comfortable now, it just keeps driving. The nice part about the traction control, it gives you that second to go, should I be doing this? That slip, slip, you have that second to go, should I back off? Should I be doing this? The locking differentials are not going to care. You're going to make it, break it, or roll over. It doesn't care. They're going to send power either way. The traction control gives you that time to go, Should I be doing this? But you can do the same thing with your participants with it. Let them work that traction control, and then if it doesn't get through with that situation, have them turn the lockers on for a second, drive through, and then turn them back off, so they don't drive past their driving abilities. The lockers will often allow you to drive past your abilities to the point where you make it, break it, or roll it over. The lockers also do not care if that tire is wedged underneath a rock and is going to snap an axle. Lockers don't care. They're going to send power either way. That's what their design is. Like right now, she has true 4 wheels locked together. So when you're in a group and somebody's like, turn your lockers on, you have to do it with your lockers on. Drive with the traction control first. Always drive until you get to the end of your skill set. If you get to that obstacle and go, I don't know if I can do this anymore, I want to get out of the situation, turn them on to get out of the situation or past that point, then turn it back on.
It's a really good idea to get to know the technology in your vehicle and how it affects your off-road driving conditions. Hey, and for more great off-roading and Jeep tips, hit that subscribe button to stay tuned to more of Jeep Momma's Garage.